Come on, everyone. The train will arrive soon.
Stay close, children. This station is very crowded.
Mom, there are so many people here.
I know, sweetheart. Hold Max's hand and stay with us.
I have her, Mom. She is with me.
Our platform is ahead. We cannot miss this train.
Alex, slow down a little. Mia is getting nervous.
Okay, but we must keep moving together.
Max, please do not let go.
I will not. Just walk with me. If we get separated, stay near a big sign.
Stay near a big sign. I understand.
The train is coming. Everyone, keep close now.
Do not worry, Mia. I am right here. Okay. I am trying.
Max, take this small bag for a moment.
Mia, wait 1 second. Max?
Max, stay near me. The train is here.
Mom? Max? Wait for me. Ah! Ah! Ah!
This is our coach. Get ready to enter.
Max, where is Mia?
She was right behind me.
Mia! Mia, answer me!
What do you mean, right behind you?
I thought she was following us. She was holding your hand, Max. I had her hand. Then Dad gave me the bag.
I thought she was with your mother.
I thought she was with Max.
We are not getting on without Mia.
Mia! Sweetheart, where are you?
Stay together now. No one moves alone.
She may be near the train. She may be scared.
Max, where did you last see her?
I do not know. Everything happened so fast.
Is someone missing?
My daughter is missing. She is 10 years old.
Where did you last hold her hand?
I was holding her hand near the stairs.
Near the stairs? Why did you not say that?
I let go for 1 second. I was scared to say it.
Max, we need the truth to find her.
The crowd came between us there. Then we go back there first. Do not search everywhere. Emily, stay beside me. Max, hold my bag and stay close.
She must have been so scared.
Emily, you told her to stay near a big sign.
The big sign. Alex, the big sign. Please be there, Mia. Please be there. Mia. Mom. I am here. I am here, sweetheart. I called you, but nobody heard me.
I am so sorry, Mia. I moved too fast.
I was scared, but Mom said to stay near a big sign. You remembered. You did the right thing.
She came here crying and asked for her family.
Thank you for staying with her.
Mia, I am sorry. I was trying to be fast, but I forgot to be careful. I was so scared when I could not see you.
I know. I should not have let go.
Please do not leave me in a crowd again. I will stay with you. I promise.
The train can go. You are more important.
We will wait for the next train together.
Before we move again, we look at each other first.
And no one lets go near a crowd. And if I get lost, I stay near a big sign.
Yes. And we come back to find you.
We missed a train, but we did not lose our family.
I will walk slower next time. I will tell you louder if I am scared.
Then we will listen.
Next train, we move only when all four are ready.
Ready together?
Ready together.